And that's why some people do complain that they used to use some particular skincare products before and it was making them fairer and fairer, but it got to a point they started going darker and darker. This is what is happening. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're just seeing my beautiful face for the first time, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Joy, and on this channel I talk about skincare, beauty tips and wellness. So this sounds like topics you want to keep hearing. This sounds interesting to you. Please make sure you hit that red subscribe button to get subscribed to my channel, and also turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any videos coming up on my channel. All right, also feel free to go over to my channel to watch other videos there, and I promise you're going to enjoy all those videos. All right, and to my OGs, my lovely subscribers that keep coming back to watch my videos, my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you guys. I really appreciate all the engagement I keep seeing on my videos. Thank you very much, and keep doing more. All right, now in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to safely lightening your skin or brightening up your skin using your body lotions and your body creams, your lightening lotions, your lightening creams, brightening creams. This is because I noticed that most people have these lightening creams, these brightening creams, but they don't know how to use them. Like, they don't know the proper way, the safest way to use them, because they just keep packing all this lightening cream, lightening this, lightening that onto their skin without knowing the safe way to use them. Because these lightening creams, these lightening lotions, if you go about it the wrong way, girl, you're going to damage your skin. Like, your skin, instead of your skin getting fairer, lighter, yes, it might get fairer, but it's not going to give you what you want. Like, it's not going to give you that even skin tone that doesn't look bleached that you want. All right, but in today's video, don't worry, calm down. I'm going to be teaching you how to safely use your lightening lotions, your lightening creams to brighten up your skin without any skin issue, without uneven skin tone, no discoloration, no stretch mark, no bleaching. Like, it's just going to give you the results you really want. All right, so if you're curious to know how to do this, if you're curious to know the best method, the best way to go about using your lightening lotions or your lightening creams to brighten up your skin the safest and correct way, then please don't go anywhere. Like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, and let's get right into it. So before starting, I just remembered that I made a similar video last year. I'm going to link it up here for you guys to see, or you can just go over to my channel and go watch this video on how to use your lightening lotion the correct way, like how to use your lightening lotions the right way to get better results. But I'll make sure I link it up here or in my description box. So I made that video last year, and now this is an updated video. Like, I did more research. We learn a lot every day, right? So this is like an updated video, but then I would really advise you to also go over to watch that video, because definitely there will be some things I'll be saying in this video that I did not say in that video, and there will also be some things I mentioned in that video that I won't be talking about in this video. All right, so just make sure you watch that video once you finish watching this video. So skin lightening, if you want to lighten up or brighten up your skin, definitely you're going to need a lightening lotion or a brightening lotion to give you these results you want, right? But it's even more simple for people that just want to brighten up your skin. Like, it's very easy for you to want to brighten up your skin, or to even actually brighten up your skin without you having so much issues to deal with, like without you having to deal with discoloration, uneven skin tone, stretch mark, green veins. Yes, because brightening is a lot easy. It's just you brightening up your skin a bit, just a shade, and just to give you a clearer skin, or even just to even out your discoloration. All right, so brightening is not really a big deal. But sure, you see skin lightening, if you want to go about skin lightening, you need to know what you're doing. You need to put in a lot of effort. You need to use your senses. Like, guys, I'm sorry, just permit me for using this word, but honestly, you need to do it with sense. You don't just keep packing lightening products on your skin. Your skin will wear out, because if you don't use your senses, all these lightening creams out there will damage your skin. You need to be smart about it. But anyways, without any further ado, let me just jump right into it, telling you guys how to go about using your lightening products, your lightening lotion to lighten up your skin safely, correctly, without any skin issue like discoloration, stretch mark, green veins and the likes. The first thing you want to do is to choose your body lotion, right? Like, you need to choose the body lotion you're going to be using to brighten or lightening up your skin. And please take note, use a safe lightening lotion. Emphasis on that safe. Please, you need to use a safe lightening product. Now, this is the foundation of everything. Like, if you miss it here, if you miss this foundation, you've got it all wrong. Like, honestly, this is the foundation. Make sure you're starting out with a very safe and good lightening lotion. And how do you know that a body lotion is safe for you to use? How do you know that a body lotion is a safe lightening body lotion? Go through the ingredients list. Very, very important, guys. Go through the ingredient list. Once you see safe ingredients like vitamin C, niacinamide, retinol, alpha-arbutin, glutathione, kojic acid, kojic diplomatic, all these ingredients I just mentioned are safe skin lightening ingredients. All right, so once you go through the ingredient list and you see these ingredients, then you know that yes, okay, you be at rest that yes, this is a safe lightening body lotion. You also want to make sure you watch out for moisturizing ingredients. Please, guys, don't just say because you want to lighten up your skin, then you just pay attention to the lightening ingredients alone. Because I keep telling people on this channel that one key to having an even light skin, even tone, like an even blended light skin, is moisture. Like, not just you using lightening ingredients or lightening products to lighten up your skin, you also need moisture. So please watch out for moisturizing ingredients like glycerin, water, obviously, honey, and hyaluronic acid. So once you're able to confirm all these ingredients list, like all these ingredients are in your ingredient list, like on the body lotion you're choosing, then you're safe. You know that this body lotion is not going to be damaging your skin. This is because all these ingredients I listed are natural skin brighteners. They are natural and safe skin lightening ingredients that will not damage your skin. And coupled with the moisturizing ingredients that are also in these lotions, definitely they're not going to damage your skin. The next thing you need to get after getting a safe lightening body lotion is to get a sunscreen along with it. Guys, also very important, sunscreen. Like, I don't joke with sunscreen on this channel. For you, my subscribers, you need sunscreen. If you are into skin lightening, sunscreen should be your bestie, like literally your best friend, honestly. And this is because you need to be protecting and shielding your skin from the sun. Because once you are lightening up your skin, definitely your skin can become sun sensitive, like photosensitive. So once your skin becomes photosensitive and you go out under the sun without sunscreen, you're going to burn your skin, you're going to damage your skin. All right, so that is why sunscreens are very, very important. And apart from using your sunscreens, try to minimize the amount of time you use your lightening lotions during the day. Like, try to reduce it if possible. Don't even use your lightening lotions at all during the day. And this is because of the sun, guys. I know some people will feel like, since I'm using a sunscreen along with it, yes, it's still on a safer side, but I would just really advise you to just do away with your lightening lotions during the day. Just use your lightening lotions at night when there is no sun, especially if you are living in tropical areas like Nigeria. The sun here is mad. Like, the sun here is crazy, honestly. So you need to take serious precaution against the sun. And that is why, for me, I don't use lotions like that during the day. And that is why I will advise you not to use your lightening lotions during the day. So get like a moisturizing lotion that you can use during the day while you use your lightening lotions at night. That way, trust me, you're going to see huge results. Your skin will keep looking fair and even tone, honestly, because I'm all about even skin tone here on this channel. You cannot just be going around with bleached skin. Your skin is giving this Coke and Fanta vibes. Like, what's that? You want to make sure your skin is even, and these are tips you want to incorporate into your skincare routine to make your skin even. All right, like, if you want your light skin to be very, very neat and even, please make sure you're following all these tips I'm going to be giving you in this video. The third way to use your lightening lotion is to use it with sense. Yes, you need to use your lightening lotions with sense. You need to be smart about it. And yes, this reminds me that I also have another video on my channel where I talked about some of the safest way to lighten up your skin, like safest and correct way to lighten up your skin without causing any skin issues. Though in that video I really did not talk much about how to use your body lotions, but I explained other ways you can use in lightening up your skin without you using all this bleaching, all these strong lightening creams. All right, so make sure you also go watch that video. After watching this one, I'll try and make sure to leave it up here, though I do forget when I'm editing to leave the links up here, but I will try and remember to leave it up here. So make sure you go watch that video. That video will really tell you or teach you how to lighten your skin with sense, how to be smart about it, how to do it in a safe way. You know, I just smile when people come to my DM telling me they need lightening kits, everything lightening, like lightening soap, lightening scrub, lightening lotion, everything lightening products. Guys, that is not the correct or the right way to go about skin lightening. It's not safe. So please don't use too much lightening products at once. Don't let everything in your kit or in your skincare set, in your skincare routine to be lightening, lightening, lightening. Like even though you might get the results you want, but it will get to a point that your skin will just tire out. Like your skin will just give up on you and you will stop seeing results. And that's why some people do complain that they used to use some particular skincare products before and it was making them fairer and fairer, but it got to a point they started going darker and darker. This is what is happening. Your skin just got tired. Like your skin just gave up on you. And this is because you keep bombarding your skin with too much lightening products. It is not right. That is not a safe skin lightening. And before you know it, you start seeing stretch mark, green veins, white patches on your skin. By the way, if you're dealing with all these skin issues, if you have stretch mark, you have white patches, you have green veins on your skin, I have videos for all these skin issues. Just go over to my channel. That's why I told you earlier that you're not going to regret ever going over to my channel to watch other videos on my channel. All right, so if you have stretch mark, green veins, white patches, just go over to my channel and there are solutions for you over there. All right, so as I was saying, using too much lightening products or using a very strong lightening cream can cause all these skin issues, and that is why I'm saying don't use too much lightening products at once. Even if you're going to be using a lightening scrub and a lightening soap, let your lotion be brightening or moisturizing. All right, and I am saying this because wash off products tend to be more safer in skin lightening than leave-in products, because you're going to wash them off. They're not really going to stay a long time on your skin for them to cause havoc on your skin, but yes, they are still going to give you that skin lightening, or let me say skin brightening. If you prefer your body lotions to be lightening, then make sure your soaps, your scrubs are just ordinary, like moisturizing soap, moisturizing scrub. All right, then you make your lotions to be lightening. That is how you do these things. If you go about it too strong, your skin will give up on you. Another thing you want to take note of, or another step you can take when using your lightening lotion, is to have a proper skincare regimen. Like have a proper skincare routine. If you don't have a skincare routine, like you don't have a routine, your skin lightening will be a mess. Like honestly, it's going to be a mess, because skincare is about routine. It's about a regimen. You need to draft out a proper effective regimen for your skin. So your skincare routine should include a scrub, a body soap, a body lotion, body oil. That is what your skincare routine wants to look like. I mean, for your body. So for your face, same way. All right, you need all these things. It needs to be in step. This is because if you're going about your skin lightening journey and you don't use a body scrub, you're not using a body scrub, you're not using a body oil, like your skin lightening will not make sense, because your skin lightening will not be even. One, it's not going to be even because you're not scrubbing those dead skin cells away that is causing some hyperpigmentation on your skin. You need to be scrubbing to sludge off those areas, to sludge off those dead skin cells away. So if you're not scrubbing your skin and you're not applying body oils, your skin will not glow. Though you might be getting lighter, it will not be even and it will not glow. Like your skin will not glow. It will just be dull and just there. So you need to follow a healthy skincare routine for your skin lightening to really make sense. Another thing I want to talk about is to be consistent. Consistency and patience. I think this works hand in hand. All right, so you want to be consistent. Consistently use this skincare product. Consistently follow these steps, these tips I just shared with you guys. You need to be judicious about it. Like do it judiciously. Don't just use a lotion for like a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks and say you're not seeing result. Like we don't do that here, girl. You need to be consistent. Like I wish people can imitate me when it comes to patience and consistency in skincare. Like I can be very, very consistent and patient. Yes, let me brag about myself. I can be very, very consistent and patient. And this is what you need if you're going into skin lightening. Like you need to be very, very patient and consistent. Another thing I want to talk to you guys about is how to use your lightening cream. I know most lightening creams contains direction. instruction on how to use. So you simply just want to follow the instruction on the body lotion to go about it. All right, but please make sure you're not using your lightening lotion or your lightening cream during the day. Use them at night. All right, also make sure you are scrubbing your skin. Please make sure you are scrubbing your skin with a good body scrub. Don't just relent on the lightening cream. It's not going to even out your skin tone. If you're just relenting on the lightening lotion, doing everything, doing this job, or here is your case, like it's not going to really even out your skin tone, and that is why you need to scrub your skin 2 to 3 times a week, depending on your skin type. Just make sure you're scrubbing your skin. Also make sure you're applying your body lotion on a damp skin. This makes your lotion to penetrate deeper into your skin to start working. I keep telling people, don't just bathe, don't just finish bathing and then you use your towel to rub off all the water, all the moisture on your skin. No, that's not how it's done. When your skin is damp, soft, moisturized, hydrated with that water, it is very easy for your lotion to penetrate deeper into your skin to start working. But if your skin is dry before you start applying your lotions, there's every probability of your lotions just sitting on your skin without doing anything. So these are tips you need to incorporate into your skincare routine, into your skin lightening journey, so you don't end up damaging your skin or messing up your skin lightening journey. Now let's quickly talk about some of the safest lightening body lotions to try that would not damage your skin. All right, so the number, oh, I just remembered that I've made some videos on lightening body lotions, safe lightening body lotions. I'm going to leave their link up here, or you go over to my channel. Please guys, if you're really interested to know some safe lightening body lotions to try, go over to my channel, go on that playlist. You're going to see body lotions, then under that body lotions you see up to like 10 or 12 videos on body lotions, lightening body lotions, safe lightening body lotions to try, and also some of the worst bleaching lotions you should never ever try to buy or try using on your skin. I just head over to my channel and watch those videos. All right, so that'll be all guys. Let me know what you feel or what you think about this video. All right, do you have other tips you want to share that you've incorporated into your skin lightening journey? Please share them in the comment section. All right, thanks so much for watching guys, and if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please I want you to join the family. Like, I want us to be a family, so make sure you just hit that red subscribe button to get subscribed to my channel, and also turn your notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a new video. All right, thanks so much for watching guys, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.